I love wearing glasses. I feel like glasses are really an expression of who you are, and they say a lot about your individual style. But oftentimes it's hard to keep the glasses we love on our face. They're always sliding down our nose and we're constantly adjusting them. I'm Don Haney, and I'm the inventor of NerdWax. NerdWax is a beeswax-based blend of all-natural and organic ingredients specially formulated to keep your glasses in place. So the whole idea for NerdWax started about 4 years ago. I was a touring audio engineer, and we did a lot of outdoor concerts during the summer. I can remember the exact moment I had the idea for NerdWax. We were in Texas at a summer festival, and the artist I was working for was looking directly into the sun wearing these big aviators. She was playing this song, and every 2 seconds her glasses would slide down and she would push them up. And I remember it was really distracting, and I just wanted to walk on stage and hold them on her face for her. So that really began the process. I started researching different wax compounds online, and I found a lot of them are paraffin and petroleum-based products. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to stick with all natural and organic ingredients, especially because I knew it was going to be going on your face. I knew NerdWax had to be functional, great for your skin, and wear off naturally over time without ruining your glasses or making a mess. I gave some to friends to see what they thought until I finally got it right where I wanted it. And that's when everything got put on hold. I have a beautiful wife and kids. And there were times when I was spending up to 250 plus days a year on the road. It was really hard not being there to watch them grow up. In May of 2012, there was this 10-day period where I lost my gig, my wife broke her ankle, both our cars broke down, and our landlord called and told us that he wasn't going to renew our lease. It was a rough couple weeks, but I looked at it as an opportunity to make a change and do something different. I took 2 jobs in town and I was putting in 60 plus hours a week, but it was worth it just to come home to see my kids and wife every night. About a month ago, I was down in our basement and I saw the box that I had packed all of the NerdWax stuff into. I just had this feeling like it's time to do this. I think a lot of people out there are gonna love using NerdWax. It's one of those products that you never knew you needed, but once you start using it, you can't imagine life without it. Right now, I make all of the wax by myself in our kitchen in small batches. And that's where you come in. I need your help to produce the first ever production run of NerdWax. For me, NerdWax is really an opportunity to do something creative, to work on something locally that I believe in, and to spend more time with my family. So thanks for your support. I'm really excited about this campaign, and I know you're gonna love using NerdWax.
I'm Jenna, and I'm here to show you Phone Soap 2.0. Get ready to clean up your life with this UV sanitizer and universal charger. When you receive your shipment, this is what you'll find in the box. Here is the Phone Soap 2.0, and here is the power cable to connect your device to the power outlet on your wall. The USB to micro USB cable provided in your package is used to power Phone Soap. Take the standard USB side and plug it into the power supply. Plug the power supply into your power outlet. Plug the micro USB side in the port on the back of Phone Soap 2.0. You can now utilize the cleansing powers of Phone Soap. Inside, you'll find 2 germicidal UV cleansing lights, special UV transparent glass, reflective coating to surround your phone in cleaning light, ensuring sanitizing coverage, and enough space for even the largest phones. Phone Soap 2.0 also acts as a universal charger. To charge your phone, take your phone's charging cable and plug it in right here on the back. Then, thread your cable through the secret passageway on the bottom of the device. With the cord inside, plug it into your phone to engage charging. To clean, just close the lid and the UV lights will begin sanitizing. This blue light indicates the lights are on and cleaning inside. Keep the lid shut for 5 minutes for a full cleaning cycle. After the cleaning is done, the blue indicator and the UV lights will turn off automatically. If you accidentally open the unit while it's sanitizing, the lights will turn off automatically. And that's Bone Soap 2.0. We know your phone and your immune system.
This way to store and serve food. The plate topper. With the plate top is ready to serve. Can't finish a meal? Plate topper to the rescue again. The airtight suction seal preserves leftovers so they look delicious and stay fresher longer. And of course, the plate topper is top shelf dishwasher safe and 100% food safe. The plate topper is perfect for entire meals, snacks, salads, and baked goods. Save time, money, and food by ordering your plate toppers today.
At SquattyPotty.com, we cast aside the taboo of potty talk, and we're breaking the silence.
We're all potty mouths around our house.
Because your health matters, because your comfort matters, because you matter.
We've created a beautiful video that demonstrates the physiology behind squatting and how it will work for you.
Everybody should be using a Squatty Potty.
The Squatty Potty solution is simple.
The Squatty Potty is so simple that I wish I would have thought of it.
Did you know about toilet posture and that sitting may get in the way of your health?
The human body was designed to squat to eliminate.
We need to get our knees above our waist.
Anatomically, humans were designed to squat. But with the advent of the modern toilet came sitting, and sitting was followed by modern-day ailments.
The Squatty Potty allows you to use a Western toilet the way you want, in your own home with comfort.
This lightweight, sturdy stool is engineered to mirror the 35-degree angle of natural squatting, while allowing for modern-day luxury and comfort. When not in use, it simply slides under your toilet. Squatty Potty is guaranteed to work for everyone.
I get those phone calls from people that it's changed their life.
Life-changing for many people.
That's why we created the Squatty Potty.
Squatty Potty is safe, simple, and it works.
I wouldn't be sitting here as a gastroenterologist to tell you about Squatty Potty if I didn't believe that it works.
Go to SquattyPotty.com. It'll tell you everything you need to know.
Squatty Potty is only $19.99 and is backed by our 60-day money-back guarantee. Take a step in caring for your health. Join us in the Squatty Potty revolution today.